Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore how to fix stuck manifestations and turn things around when your desires seem out of reach. If you've been practicing the law of attraction, diligently crafting your vision boards, repeating affirmations, and visualizing your dream life, but nothing seems to be shifting, don't worry, you're not alone. It's important to remember that manifestation is a process, a journey of self-discovery and alignment. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's unlock the secrets to unblocking your manifestations and bringing your dreams into reality. Let's begin. Let's talk about the first and perhaps most common block: internal resistance and limiting beliefs. This is when deep down, a part of you, often subconsciously, doesn't truly believe you can have what you desire. Think of it like this. You have a conscious mind that sets intentions and visualizes your goals. But then, you have this incredibly powerful subconscious mind, shaped by years of experiences, societal conditioning, and even things we heard as children. If you find yourself thinking, "That's impossible for someone like me," or "I don't deserve that kind of abundance," you've bumped up against a limiting belief. These beliefs act like invisible walls, holding us back from what we truly want. The key here is to identify and gently challenge these limiting beliefs. Start by becoming aware of your self-talk. What negative thoughts or doubts automatically pop up when you think about your desires? By replacing limiting beliefs with empowering affirmations, you begin to shift your energy and create space for your manifestations to materialize. Let's talk about desperation and attachment. When we're overly attached to an outcome, we might push it away. Imagine holding a feather, trying to keep it aloft. The tighter you grip, the more likely it is to break. Desperation stems from a place of lack. The universe mirrors that vibration of lack. Shift your energy to trust and surrender. Believe the universe has your back. Focus on feeling good now. Release control and open to receiving. Our next manifestation block centers around the idea of energetic misalignment. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions need to align with what you're trying to manifest. If there's a disconnect, things might feel out of sync. For example, you want a new job but spend your days complaining about your current one. This is energetic misalignment. You're sending out a signal but tuned into the wrong frequency. Cultivate positive emotions and take small aligned actions. Align your thoughts, feelings, and actions to match your desires. This next block might seem counterintuitive, but it's surprisingly common. Fear of change or success. Sometimes even when we consciously desire something, we unconsciously resist it. Why? Because change, even positive change, can be scary. We're creatures of habit, and stepping outside our comfort zone, even into a life we've always dreamed of, can trigger deep-seated fears. We may fear the unknown, fear failure, or even fear the responsibility that comes with success. This fear can manifest as self-sabotage, procrastination, or even pushing away opportunities that come your way. The key here is to acknowledge and address these fears with compassion. Recognize that fear is a natural human emotion, but it doesn't have to control you. Embrace the unknown with courage and trust that you have the strength and resilience to handle whatever comes your way. Finally, let's talk about the importance of clarity and intention. The universe responds best to clear, specific requests. If your goals and desires are vague, scattered, or uncertain, your manifestations may feel just as unclear. Imagine walking into a restaurant and telling the server, "I'll have something, I'm not sure, just surprise me." The more specific and clear you are about what you want, the easier it is for the universe to align you with the people, resources, and opportunities that will make it happen. So, how do you gain clarity? Start by getting crystal clear on your desires. What do you truly want? Be specific about the details. Write down your intentions in a journal. Create a vision board with detailed images that represent your goals, or even have a conversation with a trusted friend or mentor. The more you focus on and articulate your desires, the more powerful your manifestations become. So there you have it, 5 key blocks that can hinder our manifestation journeys. Remember, the process of manifestation is about aligning your energy with your desires. As you continue on your journey, be patient with yourself, be kind to yourself, and trust the process. You are powerful beyond measure, and you have the ability to create the life you desire. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video has empowered you to unlock your full manifestation potential and create a life filled with abundance, joy, and purpose.